What's up, everybody? Mr. Bald back at it with a special item for you today. We picked up another RC car. It is this model here, kind of like a mini slash hatchback. I actually picked up two RC cars. The other one's 1/18th scale. This one is 1/128th scale. So the other one is really cool. It's a ball haul truck. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's really cool. I'm enjoying it. I actually saved a little bit on that Prime Day. This thing was really cheap too. It's just a little cheap $10, literally $10 RC car. So we're about to see what this $10 RC car is all about. The other one was normally $89. I paid $69 on that Prime Day, and it was well worth it. It has real shocks. It's really nice. So go check out that video if you haven't seen it. I'm glad I went with that versus the Traxxas because that was $129. I was going to get that and decided not to. Oops, got another thing to open up. So this is fully operational. Real RC car. It's supposed to go as fast as the other one I picked up. So without further ado, well, geez, come on. There we go. Let's open it up. Man, that's cool. Look at that. That is just too cool, man. That is really sweet. So what's in the box here? So we have, oh, it comes with the batteries. Nice, I like that. So did the other one. Oh, look at the little remote. That thing is super small. So you got a little clicking action. Up and down, no antenna to bother with. Got a little car. We're going to see what's under the hood in a minute. Look at this. You got your little rally booklet. There it is. That's pretty much it. Nothing much to it. Here's the back of it showing you. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's under the hood. So you have your settings right there to control the wheels. Looks like they're even. On and off switch, 2.4 gigahertz. That means you can drive this over 100 yards or 100 feet. 100 yards. Let's see, does this come off? They do. The body actually comes off. Look at this, folks. Look at this. And what's underneath the hood? Okay, nothing special. Got your little antenna there. That means you know it's real. You got a little motor right there. It's a brushed motor. And you got your battery housing. You got your steering servo right there. So there it is. Looks really ugly without the body on it. But with the body, man, this thing looks really cool. Like I said, literally, we'll never take this off again. Literally a $10 vehicle that I have in my hand right here. Really small, you can take it anywhere. Let's put the batteries in. Alright, let's get that battery in. These batteries are real light, so that means they suck, but we'll use them because it's included. We'll run them out. I'll put the screw back in, I guess. That's it, made in China. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you have to turn this. You don't have to turn on. You got to turn the car on. I can hear it hissing. Let's see. There we go. Let's go ahead and put it on the carpet. Let's give it the carpet test. So if you've seen the other video with the other RC car, I carpet tested that one too. I have a few videos of RC cars. I forgot I got the other double set too for me and my daughter. Pretty cool. It doesn't do it justice on the carpet. Let's take it to the living room. Pretty cool for $10, I'll tell you that. Nice. Pretty fun. Pretty fun if you're into this hobby anyway. That was it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.